Hey, good morning everyone, Dirt Cop here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just going on a little ride on my TW200. Got something to test out. This is gonna be a special episode. Stay tuned and we'll get going. Thanks for tuning in. It has been miserable and rainy the last few days, and I actually tried to get out the other day and right up to the top of this mountain, and you know, that'll be coming out in a later video. I was trying to do what I'm doing today, but it didn't happen. So now I'm just out enjoying myself. I'm gonna head out, make a little breakfast again, and test out some gear I got sent to me by the company called NICECNC. They reached out on my Instagram page and asked if I would test a little product of theirs, and I'm doing it. Well, that's gonna be exciting, and I hope you guys enjoy the ride. All right, I don't want to get wet this morning, so I'm just gonna take it easy through here. Almost got bogged down in that mud. So this is where I used to see elk all the time in the winter. Oh, there's snow up there. So this is probably gonna be one of my last rides of the season, and maybe even my last ride of the season. I don't have a whole lot of time left at home, and the snow's creeping down on us here. We're trying to stick close to home today. So I'm actually on a road just right behind my house, and I come up here quite a bit in our videos. A lot of roads, a lot of places to explore. So hopefully we run into some grouse, maybe see some other wildlife, hopefully find a good place to make a fire and cook some breakfast. There's that rock I am lucky I didn't get killed by. Well, someone did get killed by. Oh, alright, we're gonna actually head out on this one, I think. This is an exciting little road, so I'm gonna check it out, see what it has to offer as far as a good little campsite is concerned. Right, my last ride I was not fully prepared for. Like, I should have had way better gear, rain gear particularly, and better. I was wearing some cotton pants and I was freezing. My legs were numb by the time I got home. It was pretty crazy, but I survived, so I guess no harm, no foul. Well, I think I found my spot. All right, so this video is actually kind of sponsored. I got some free gear to do a little review on from the company NICECNC. They sent me this excellent little luggage bag, which also doubles as a cooler. It costs $54.99 on their website. If you want to, you can use the link that's on this video. That'll give you a little bit off. So the official name of this is the Universal Motorcycle Saddlebag Cooler. It's actually like aluminum foil lined and insulated, and it's got this PVC insulation on the inside. It's leak proof, and so far I'm loving it. I've got everything I need to make some delicious food this morning, and it's kept it nice and cold, and looks like it protected. My egg has not broken in there, so I'm excited. Just got some ingredients and some water to make some coffee. A couple other cool features. He's got these rings right here. You can attach things, or what I do is I use them to attach the cooler itself to your rack, and it doesn't slide around at all because it has nice anti-slip grippies on the bottom. There's also a nice little handy pocket on each side. I actually put my wallet on this side. Came with this awesome little bottle opener attached, and it's got the NICECNC logo on it. And you can have these regular carry-around handles, or so when I install it, I just put it on the rack. This is probably better with my cycle rack. I'm using my Kimimoto rack right now, which is a little small for this. So I just ran it through here. So I'm actually taking these straps. These are just straps I liberated from my place of employment, and run it through here so then I'm not going to lose it. And under these straps, and just tighten it down. It's probably not going to work super well without a rack, but that's all right. I think everyone who has a TW200 probably has a rack anyways. And we're going to do that on the other side. So just tighten it down as tight as you think you need it, and it's not going anywhere. And if you don't get it too tight, you know you got it through here, so it's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, like I said, $54.99. I'll have a coupon code in the description and in the top pinned comment. Thanks, NICECNC. I love it. I'm going to use it as much as I can. Now let's make some breakfast. Now I have somewhere to put my camera. All right, today we're making some hotcakes from the Lookout Cookbook, circa 1938. Published by the U.S. Forest Service. I'm going to be using my Trangia cook kit. I'm going to be making some coffee with my pour over Stanley. Okay, from my Lookout cookbook, I found the recipe for hotcakes. It's actually 2 recipes for hotcakes, but this seemed like the most moto-friendly one, so I mixed up the dry ingredients at home. And give it a little shake. So there's hot cakes, griddle cake, and another hot cakes. I guess no one could agree back in the 30s about what the best hot cakes are. All right, let's do it. Pretty darn good. Those are some pretty good pancakes. I guess they knew how to do it back in the 30s. My Trangia, a little hard to regulate the temperature, but I think I got it all right. My fire's finally going and I got some coffee, so I'm gonna head out here in a few minutes. This is a great piece of gear and I would highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching and I'll talk to you later.